How to log in to Ultipro. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Ultipro software. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Ultipro login. After you search for that, you'll find a lot of different websites. Simply head over to the first one that says Ultimate Software. After you open up that website, all you have to then do is type in your username, whatever your username is, and then your password. You can check for both of your passwords and username, and then tap on login. After you tap on login, you'll get logged in into your account. Also, if you've forgotten your password, you can tap on this option to reset it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.